The crucial hearing on Goa mining matter will be held on Friday. Goa Foundation has challenged the renewal process of 88 mining leases by Goa government. Mines Department is in process of filing affidavit before the Supreme Court. Sources inform that Mines Department is preparing report on the renewal process of 88 mining leases. Goa Foundation pleaded before the Supreme Court to stay the consent to operate given by the Goa State Pollution Control Board. Even after 3 years, Mines Department is busy filing the affidavit before the Supreme Court. This time it is on the renewal of 88 mining leases. Goa Foundation has challenged the renewal process of Goa government. Sources from Mines Department informed that Mines Department will file affidavit before the Supreme Court. Affidavit to mention about legal process followed during the renewal of 88 mining leases. File of each lease renewal order will be put before the Supreme Court. Goa government will argue stating renewal as per the law. Goa government might refer to Goa Abolition Act 1987. According to this act, lease belongs to respective owners. Matter on Goa Abolition Act pending before the Apex Court. If Supreme Court upholds Goa Abolition Act, then mining leases in Goa cannot be auctioned. Lease renewal process as per Supreme Court's order and order of High Court will also be mentioned in the affidavit. Hearing on mining matter will be held on Friday. Two-judge bench of Supreme Court will hear the matter. On behalf of Goa, Advocate Jayant Mohan will argue and Advocate Prashant Bhushan for the petitioner Goa Foundation. According to Goa Foundation, Goa government has not followed legal procedure and Supreme Court's order during the renewal of 88 mining leases. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent. Goa Union of Journalists held a peaceful dharna at Azad Maidan demanding speedy investigation in journalist Rupesh Saman's sexual harassment case. They were also joined by activist Iris Rodriguez, AAP members and student wing Voice of Students. Journalists demanded a speedy investigation and arrest of culprit. A Guj delegation also met DGP demanding thorough probe. Meanwhile, anticipatory bail hearing of Samant is adjourned for Friday.
गोंय श्रमिक पत्रकार संघटना गुज हांचे आयज धरणे कार्यक्रम जालो आंदोलन जाले आझाद मैदानाचेर हाच्या फाटल्यान हेतू असो आशिल्लो की सिरीज ऑफ सेक्शुअल हॅरेसमेंट केसीस ज्यो जाल्या तातूंतल्या आरोपीक अटक करचे गेले अनेक दीस जाले परंतु पोलीस म्हणटा आमी समन्स दिता पण आरोपीक अटक जायना त्यामुळे गोव्यातले जे पत्रकार आसले पणजेतले तेंच्यांनी आंदोलन केलें मागीर गुजाचे शिष्टमंडळ वचून डीजीपीक मेळ्ळे आणि त्यांच्यानी त्याचे कडेन चर्चा केली डीजीपीन सांगला की पोलीस योग्य प्रकारे तपास काम करता आणि आरोपीक निश्चितच अटक जातली आमी त्या बद्दल खंयचीच हयगय करचे ना आणि आमचेर खंयचो दबाव ना
आमी आमच्या आंगण पयलीं निवळ करपाक जाय सारन मारपाक जाय जो खुटारो आमी आज हातीन घेतला म्हजे नदरेन हो लढो आमी निमणो मेरेन व्हरपाचो
अत्यंत घातक नेक्सस पॉलिटिकल जर्नलिस्ट आणि पुलीस एफआयआर जाता 2013 मडगांवा एफआयआर जाता ट्रेसपास म्हणून आणि पुलीस कितें करता पुलीस हो एक्युज्ड आहा तो मिसींग म्हणून सरळ म्हणटा आणि केस काढून भितर दवरता मॅनेजमेंट पळय आसा ताजे कडेन कंप्लेनी घेवन वतात त्योल्यो कंप्लेनी घेवन वता आनी कोण कंप्लेनी घेवन वता आणि मॅनेजमेंट एक कशेंच ह्या विशयाचेर चवकशी करपाक तयार ना चलयां तो आज प्रश्न लक्षात घ्या आज ते चलयां पुलिसे कडेन कंप्लेन करची पडल्या
The students community of Goa, we have roots in all the colleges across Goa and whenever called upon we will be here to extend our entire support towards such cause so that such offences, such heinous offences won't repeat in future.
To act immediately and arrest the accused. If he is innocent, let him prove after the investigation that he is innocent. And let the police not blame me because I would give them 7 days from today and I've decided to move the appropriate court in 7 days. If this entire investigation is not handed to an officer of the level of SP.
Sexual harassment is a very serious matter. चाहे वो उसमें जर्नलिस्ट इन्वॉल्व है is only an accidental issue. Whoever indulges in sexual harassment will have to be dealt with sternly. Nobody is above law. ये मैसेज हमें समाज को देना बहुत ज़रूरी है और वो सच्चाई भी है तो इस केस में भी वही है that the accused will be proceeded against as per law and उनके खिलाफ चाहे अभी 4 FIRs lodge हो चुका है. We are on the lookout for him. We will get him by due process of law and prosecute him.
Two women were seriously injured in an accident at Madgaon today morning. Both were crossing the road and came under a Maruti car. The lady car owner claims that she is not at fault as both the ladies crossed the road in haste. One is an aged lady among the two. Both are admitted in hospicio and are under observation.
मार्गावसून येताली तेशी आम स्लो स्पीडाचे स्लो स्पीड आहलोली ही सायडी एक बास ते लेफ्टान बास ते बास स्टॉप थिंग आहलो न्ही बासी हांव बास स्टॉप आहा ते हांव काव नोक ते बास स्टॉप आहा जाल्यार थिंग बास राबोन आहलोली हांव येताली आनी स्लो स्पीडाचे ती नाहलोली ती एकली तो बायलो नाहलोली आमचे ब्रेक मारलो तरी पुजा ती शायला येयली आनी ती कार आडवली.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.